This video is to show you how to use our silicone ring packs. We supply a silicone ring pack with every glass shade that leaves our distribution centre. Inside the pack you get 3 different size ring sets, so you can use them for different reasons. Now the first reason you might need these is to just protect the glass between the metal of the lamp holders. In this situation you probably just put the little skinny ones on, and as you're assembling the pendant just pop one above the glass, one below the glass, and then use that bottom shade ring to secure it all together nicely, and it just cushions between the metal of the lamp holders and the glass shade. The other reason you might need to use these silicone ring sets is just to counteract any unevenness in the top of the glass. Sometimes it can often be a little bit thicker on one side than it is on the other. This is just due to the manufacturing process. When they're blowing the glass and it's liquid, it's put into the mold and they're blowing and twisting it to get the gorgeous shapes. When they lift it up, because it's liquid glass at the time, it can sometimes just be a little bit thicker in some places than others. So it's quite common, and having a silicone ring pack will just help counteract that a little bit for you. So what you need to do in this situation is choose whichever size ring piece you want and then just cut it in half, because you'll only need it on half of the glass. So once you've got that part ready and you've got your pendant all assembled there, the easiest way to do this is keep the bottom ring in place and just loosen up the top ring a little bit. Not much, just enough to be able to lift the shade up and slide the silicone in on the side that you want it to do. Drop the shade back down, that holds the silicone in place, and then just simply tighten the top ring down onto the shade. And that should, when it's in the right spot, just counteract any slight imbalance that you may have in the glass. Now, if you're trying to do this and you're having a bit of trouble with it, it's tricky, or it's not still looking right, just get in touch with us. We'll replace the shade for you, not a problem at all.